you're allergic to egg, then you know that mayo has eggs in it. I decided to pick up a vegan mayo, Veganese. So we're making garlic aioli. We're putting the Veganese in a cup and we're gonna mix it with some garlic, some chopped garlic, and lemon and salt. We made steak sandwiches to try the aioli. This is one of my favorite recipes I make with my sister. I'll show you. No, we're on the same side. Caramelized onions. These are the steak sammies with caramelized onions, arugula, and vegan garlic aioli. Insane. So good.